use the Excel, you need to know the basic things before using it. Welcome to my channel. So before entering any data, you need to have the SQL number like 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want to add any information, or if you want to enter any information, you need a sequence, right? SQL number. So in the way, what is the process? We have the basic thing is like 1, 2, then select and drag down. This is one process. If you want to do in this way, total we have 10,48,576 cells. Okay, rows. So I want to update till 10 lakh. So is it a right way to do drag downing till 10 lakh? No, because it takes a lot of time. So I have an option, I have a shortcut, you can use it and it will be very useful. Equal to, you have to SEQ, sequence function will be there. Click on tab and give the number till where you want. I need till 10 lakh, so I'll be entering, this is 10, 100,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 10 lakhs, and I'm closing the bracket. Then enter, click on enter. Now you got till 10 lakhs. Is it an easy way? So you may, and here we have one thing. Here we can see one number, and here we can see the function. So we want to replace this function with one number. So we have to do one process. Select all, copy and paste. While pasting, you have to paste value. Then here we'll get any values. It's numbers. So this is a sequence. This is a basic thing you must know before using Excel. So next, coming to the moving the data from one cell to another cell. For example, let me take till 9 and paste here, and here I'm giving any data, and here I'm giving an information 10, 20. Okay, so you want to move this data to another place here. So you just have to copy all the cells and just observe the mouse. Here it's showing a plus sign. In the middle of the cells also it's showing the plus sign, but while going upside it shows a hand symbol. So you have to click and you have to drag here. This is a one way where you can move the data from one place to another place. And we have another option. We just have to copy all the, we have to select all the data, then cut and Control V, paste here. We have option, right click on your mouse, you can see cut, then come here, right click on that, paste. So here you will get any information on data. So third thing is, if you want to enter the data, repeated information like 1, 2 and 1, 2. So if you want to enter, it takes time if you enter manually, but we have an option. Just first time you have to enter 1, 2, then equal to reference number 1, then equal to reference number this. After this you just drag down till where you want, till that. See, you got the repeated thing. So this is a shortcut when you can use. And the fourth thing is, so here we have an information I, J, K column. Okay, so if you want to add any another information between here, you can click on this K. It will be selected all the cells. Then you have to you have to right click on your mouse and insert. Here you will get another new cells. If you want to remove any extra one between this, just right click and delete. It will be cleared. And just hold on. If you want to remove this data, just right click and clear content will remove the information, but cells will be there. Okay. If you want to remove all the with cells, data with cells, then delete. Okay. And recently I have deleted these row cells. If I want to bring back, so I can click here. Here you can see this is called as undo. So while clicking this, you will get the steps which is done before that. Okay. And this is redo, which will be forward step. See, this is forward step, this is our present. So I want to go back, you can click here. Undo is will be going back step, redo will be going for the forward step. And next, coming to the basic thing for, we will have functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These four things will be used very commonly in Excel. So how we'll be using addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, I'll be showing you. So here you have two options. You need to do sum, tab, click all the cells and close the bracket. This is one option. And another option is like you have to do individually. 10 plus. So this takes much more long time when compared with first formula. So probably you can use the first formula, which will be very best. After using some function, if you want to know whether this is the correct results which I got or not, you can check while click on all till 90, 10 to 90, and you can check here. You can see sum is 450. So the information is correct. So now we want to do subtraction. We have two cells, 10 minus 5, we need to do 5. We got answer 5. Is it right? So we just drag till down, automatically it will subtract the rest of the cells. So next we have multiplication. So what we can do, 5 into, we have 5 into 5 is 25 is correct answer. So we have to drag down. So this is a multiplication. And next step is division. So we can do 25 divided by 5. We can find out the division symbol in the keyboard. So this is correct answer.